Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial session is Dropbox account forgot password. So before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for helpful web tutorials and solutions to your web problems. So let's move on to what to do when you forget password on your Dropbox account. First of all, tap open your Dropbox application on your mobile. Then you need to tap on the sign in button to go to the sign in page. Now here you remember your email address, so enter your email address. Then you don't know your password, so you need to look at the middle of your screen. You have having trouble signing in. If you tap onto it, what is your trouble to sign in? So you have forgot your password. You need to tap on forgot your password. So if you have forgotten your password, now you at least have your email address, so Dropbox will email you with instruction to reset your password. So if this is your correct email address, you can tap on reset password button, and then Dropbox will send you an email to your account. You can go and check the email for the instruction to reset your forgotten password. So as you go to your email address account, you will see the email received from Dropbox to reset password. So you can tap on reset password button to further the process and open it in a browser. Then you will come to the reset your password page of Dropbox. Now here you need to enter a new password for your Dropbox. Enter the password and re-enter it once again in the respective field to submit. After you have entered password twice, and then you can tap on the submit button to finish your reset password process, and therefore your password has been reset and changed successfully. So you can now go back to your Dropbox account and try logging in with the new password. Once again, open the Dropbox application and you can do the sign in process by entering your email address and the new password that you just entered. Then tap on the sign in process, and you can check and see if you are logged into your account with new password or not. Therefore, you are successfully logged into your account. I hope you have learned how to change your password when you have forgotten your password of Dropbox account with this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, mention them in the comment section.